office recurring deposit helps you save in a systematic manner, starting with just 100 rupees per month with no maximum limit. The interest rate provided in post office RD is much better than the interest rate which is being provided by the commercial bank RD. The tenure of post office RD is 5 years and any resident individual can open this account. Even a minor whose age is above 10 years can also open this account on their name. And for advance payment deposit for minimum 6 months or more, you do get a rebate, and this feature is being provided in RD to encourage people start saving. So if you opt for premature withdrawal even 1 day prior to the maturity, then the applicable interest rate will be of post office savings interest rate. That's why take a wise decision, plan well, and do not withdraw your post office RD before maturity.